Day to you all. Today we'll be discussing, or I am discussing, a mini system integration from data to functionality. So this is our for our laboratory. For this task, I will be using, or for the demonstration, I'll be using a small pizza ordering system. So the concept of this laboratory is we have two different subsystem. Subsystem Subsystem A, which is our data provider, most likely it's gonna be our admin, which will which will handle the task of giving the data needed by the user or customers, like items, order order management, and so on so forth. So for our subsystem B, it will be our customer. So customer will only be our data consumer. So it the role of the our that our customer is only to use the information given by our subsystem A. So let's start by so I hope that clarifies the role of each subsystem. So let's show you here, demonstrate you here how this how how the subsystem A works. So let's put so as you can see here, as admin, you that admin that provides the data for the consumer, for you can edit our list of items that will be served to your customers UI. So for example, this pepperoni pizza, if you edit something here or put a new item, it will be sent or updated to the database. And we have another section here, and order management system for all I know orders that orders from our subsystem B. So that's all the rules of the subsystem A. So just to provide the data and manage the flow of the whole system as an coordinator. So for our subsystem B as data consumer, so let's log in at the customer. So for the consumer's side or UI, as you can see here, you can only order things or the items given by the admin. That's how the data integration works in this small mini system. Small na nga, pili pa. So as you can see here. So the integration works like that. After the all tawag di, in the admin, you can create the items for your customer. As you can see here. That is all. And that's all for our subsystem B. Let's let's process this order so we can show the how the API and integration works. So after you confirm that order, you can be given an order ID here. So that will be that I will demonstrate what's that for. So let's log out again and log in the admin. So as you can see here, we have, as you can see kanina, is we have the order number 6, which is sent from the subsystem B, which is our customer, to our subsystem A, which is the our admin. So for the admin, we have to mark this as complete, and after marking it as complete, that ay, yan, mark as complete. After marking it as complete, the order will be sent out to your customer. So in let's do a small ano, small demonstration here, or I'll draw you a conceptual diagram of how this API system APIs work. API. Okay. So imagine the system as a ning restaurant. So subsystem B, which is the customer. Charan charan charan. Tang, ish, anak, customer. So for the API demonstration, let's say the API is the waiter here. So let's draw. Ching ching. So thing as an API. So the waiter will deliver our order to our chef, which is acting as our admin. Chef. So basically, this is a diagram of our API in that system. So as customer or subsystem B, we will order, and then the waiter as our API will get that order and deliver it to our admin. And as admin, chef in this case our chef will verify that order and cook. After verifying that, it will send the waiter a message that to the customer that that order is being processed. So that's how our file integration works. No? Secondary. So this whole system, we can relate this to tagani, to a real real world integration needs for a small restaurant that needs to be real time tracked by the owner or admin for the incoming orders from the customer or our subsystem B. So that's all. I hope you learned something today, and thank you.